Safe Software, the company behind the FME Spatial Data Transformation Platform, has recently been making a lot of improvements to this popular product. With me today to talk about some of the latest developments is Dale Lutz, co-founder of Safe Software. Safe Software's FME recently added support for loading data into Esri's ArcGIS for local government. How does this change the market?
The big thing that it does, Alexis, is it lets us walk into any environment and seamlessly and non-invasively allow that organization to take part in ArcGIS for local government. Now, what do I mean? I mean they don't have to change the way that they're operating right now. With what we've done and set up together with Esri, we've set up configurations that let them keep working with the data the way they are right now, and at the same time transfer that into the data model that ArcGIS for local government needs. We just did a talk earlier today, my friend Steve did. The people were coming out the doors, it was so busy, and so we know that that's going to be a very big benefit for a big bunch of users.
Definitely.
Yes.
So what are the biggest improvements in FME Server 2012?
FME consists of two parts, a desktop product and a server product. And while the camera's rolling, I'll also mention that a subset of FME technology is sold by Esri as the data interoperability extension. So it's very easy for those customers to take advantage of it. The FME server product takes the configurations people build on the desktop for moving data around and pushes it up to a central server. That allows it to be used hands-free in a scheduled way, so scheduling was one of the big improvements and we refined that. That means every night at 2 a.m. a service can start up and read data from some web service somewhere, grind it up and have it prepared in the format and model ready for users in the morning. So the scheduling was a big thing in FME Server. The other really key thing is our ability to interact with real-time data. So if we've got reports of earthquakes or lightning strikes or power outages, these things can come into FME Server and action can be taken and the data put where it needs to be, people alerted and so on. And so that transitions us from just doing file translation of our past into more real-time event translation, and that would be probably the biggest change and improvement in FME Server 2012.
Great. So earlier this year, Safe Software announced a partnership with Blue Marble Geographics.
Yes.
What benefits are users seeing from this arrangement?
Well, the key thing there is that really there's no question that Blue Marble has an excellent reputation when it comes to accuracy of coordinate system conversion. And in fact, many organizations have said Blue Marble is the gospel truth. Anything else, if it's right or wrong, doesn't matter. Blue Marble is what we're going with. And so the relationship we've fostered with Blue Marble, where they have integrated their coordinate conversion technology into the FME universe to allow workflows that read data from wherever, do some kind of transformation and write, that transformation can involve the Blue Marble coordinate systems directly, and that really streamlines workflows for those organizations because it means they can use FME to both move the data and call out to Blue Marble to do exactly the coordinate conversions they want without having to do it in two steps as they would have before.
What areas have you seen the most interest from customers at this show?
At this show, wow, this is a fantastic show. I can't believe the magnitude of it, and we have so many things that we're talking to customers about, but the latest things we've been working on relate around 3D and particularly LiDAR. And ArcGIS 10.1 has a very good LiDAR system in it, and our technology is really well suited to bring data and prep it to be used in ArcGIS around LiDAR. So that's been the main thing. We've seen people using our technology to add color into LiDAR that didn't have color, to fix classifications, to slice, dice, chop, and so on. And so that all is a really good pre-processing step before you get into ArcGIS. So that's what's been keeping my voice getting hoarse all day long, and thanks very much for asking.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.